How to see notes on Instagram on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see notes on Instagram on your laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now by default, when you go to instagram.com, you can see that if I go to the messages tab, we do not have the little notes option over there, right? So we can see all the DMs, but we can't see notes. So in order to see and view notes, we have to convert this web interface into a mobile interface. And to do this, just right click on an empty space anywhere it could be, but just make sure it is empty, and then just go to this option here that says inspect. Once you go to inspect, on the right hand side you will see all this. Make sure you're under elements, and right beside the elements you'll find this little icon, which is the computer like icon, so click on that. Now as and when you do that, you can see the web has been converted into a mobile interface, but what you still have to do is here you can set dimensions is set to responsive. Now you can set this to any of the other models that you like over here, so you can leave it to iPad or you can leave it to whatever else it is that you want to do. And once you have done that, do not forget to refresh it. You have to refresh it once, and now it will get converted into a mobile like interface. And now when you go ahead and then click on this little option of this DMs page, you will be able to see the notes. This way you can see notes on Instagram on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.